Hey, man, I'm gonna show you how to test the starter on any golf cart. Quick, simple, to the point, let's get it. All right, man, first thing you do, put your voltmeter on volts DC 20, V with a straight line. And then on your starter, you got your ground wire that comes off the frame and your hot wire on top, which comes off the solenoid. You hit the gas. You see I have battery voltage. If you have battery voltage there and nothing happens, take your starter off, your brushes are bad. If you hit the gas and you don't have nothing, then the next step you want to do is take your hot lead, put it on your main positive on the battery, and confirm you got a ground. All right, you have a ground. So now you want to take your hot, stick it back on there. Take your black wire, stick it on the ground post on the battery. You hit the gas. You have battery voltage. If you don't have battery voltage, that wire on the starter leaves the starter, goes straight to the solenoid, because the way it operates is the battery post positive goes to the solenoid. When you activate the solenoid, you'll hear a click. If you hear that click and you show no voltage on that post, replace the solenoid. Or check your main positive on the battery, make sure it has a good connection. If you have voltage there and nothing happens, take your starter off, your brushes are wore out. Now if you go on my YouTube page, I have videos on how to repair the starter. Starter brushes are simple. If there's something else besides your starter burn up, if you have to replace the starter, don't get one of the cheap aftermarket starters. They would come apart and you would end up throwing money out the window. And on this channel, we don't do that. We buy one part only. We don't keep replacing parts, throwing money away. Also, if you want to, man, show some support for my channel, you can become a member. Or if not, just hit the subscribe button, man. All right, stay tuned, man.